Boiling water, poisonous gas, and earthquakes are ever-present threats that the animals have learnt to live with. But not every hazard here is so easy to ignore. As the sun gets higher, the daylight creatures are becoming active, and that brings out the forest's more menacing side. The birds. They are the top predators in this weird forest. This is the largest, Gastornis, a half-ton pile of muscle and feathers as tall as a grown man. This is a female, and for the last 2 months her whole life has revolved around the one egg in her nest, now only hours from hatching. She is fiercely territorial, and when another Gastornis gets too close, she moves to protect her nest. Since the Great Extinction, birds have been a success like mammals. But what is more, they have got big. Big enough to take over the role of the predatory dinosaurs. The two giants clash. The small mammal escapes. There are echoes here of a bygone age. The leptictidium needs a lot of food for her size. Like all mammals, this is the price she pays for a warm-blooded metabolism. There is usually plenty of prey down by the lakeside, but this morning there is only trouble. There is a newcomer